Doing a little pitching and jigging here. Now, we worked this area pretty good and we didn't have any luck, so let's just go down some of those holes downriver and see if we can catch some fish over there. Holes down there. The smallmouth.
Yeah, oh my God, is that neat?
Here, what we got for you? Alright, we're gonna move. Yeah. It's not bad. "41-degree water temperature. We're out fishing with the Jetman Russell. Catching beautiful golden smallmouth. All right. Nice. Decent sized fish. Sweet. Let's get a picture of him. Be careful with those hooks. The hit's not that. Here. Look at that.
Oh, yeah.
Whoa!
That's a monster.
I'm not hitting the bottom. I'm close though.
You need to come up this way.
Two days before Thanksgiving, the water temperature is 43.5 degrees. We saw one other person on the river, yeah, but we caught some beautiful fish.
I saw one ducks and geese.
Yeah.
But we were the only ones out here in a boat that I saw.
I don't know if we're just crazy or I don't know if we're just whacked or we're the smart ones, because we did catch some pretty nice fish today.
You caught some really nice bass.
So I appreciate you having me out on this beautiful jet boat that you have. What is it? It's a River Pro, right?
Pro boat, yes.
Awesome boat. Zips right over those rocks. And hopefully we can get together and do it next spring.
We'll take it out in the spring and we'll do the same thing. So in the spring we're going for walleye right off the bat.
There we go.
All right.
Great.
Thanks.
Love that sound.